WH despite having flood modeling components and hazard map. So, yun lang po, siguro hingi na lang po ako ng kopya kung paano din tayong makakatulong, Mr. President, because we wanted to assess and find out ano ba yung magagandang solutions, no, na po pwede nating magawa. And then I remember, Mr. President, when the President signed the IBET law, the enterprise-based and enterprise-based education and training act. The President even told me, Mr. President, distinguished colleague, that right now there is already a master plan, because before we don't have a master plan. I think he is talking about the Bicol River Basin. If I'm not correct, may I just confirm, Mr. President, if this is in the affirmative, that there's already a master plan now?
Mr. President, the master plan for the 18 major river basins